friend of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Xiaomi smartphone. Firstly, find Tools folder, click on it and access Recorder app. Now tap on this red button and choose while using the app in the pop-up. Then select Allow, and as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left button. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the middle one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing Delete, or name it and save it by choosing OK. Now click on this right button again and tap on Allow. As you can see, my recording is here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!